Hey everybody, it's your boy One Take Wonder coming at you with a review how to don't do to save you time, money, and frustration. Okay, what we're going to do today, what I'm going to do is change out this front fender for carbon fiber gloss full 6. So one thing you'll need is a number 10 socket. There's a nut back here all the way in the back underneath that holds the brake lines or something up. And then these nuts, these bolts up here, 2 on each side, all four of them are 4s. Okay. Alright, here we go. I'm going to take the bolts off up here. So you just want to see around the right side or the left side, the hoses are kind of secured in here. Okay. As you can see, what it's talking about is that's where the piece hold the 2 brake lines, and then the left side one is just kind of fed along in here. Okay, so we're done cleaning. We're going to install this. So again, this is a full 6 gloss. We're going to pretty much install it in the reverse order of what we took it out. So we're going to install it, put the screws in. We're not going to tighten them down. We're going to put the screws in to hold it in. Then we're going to feed the brake line into here, and then we'll attach it. Then the last bit we will tighten up the screws. All right, here we go. And don't forget your spacers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just put some screws in, and I'll probably actually just put the 2 top screws in maybe, and then I'll wind up pulling them out and put thread locker on them. And make sure not to pinch your brake lines. I'm going to take our brake line, pop it in, and these clips do alternate, so one face is outward, the other face is inward. Make sure your brake lines back here aren't hindering you from moving the fender around. clip back here holds on to this. It's always a good idea to take a picture when you take everything off so you can remember where everything goes when you go to put it back in. Looks like the front part of the flat part of this, the curved part goes toward the back, and the kind of looks like a Cyber truck. This angled part goes toward the front, this curved part goes toward the back. I think I need another set of hands, so we're going to stop the video and come back to you in a moment. Hey everybody, so what we did was we wound up putting that cap in first and then sitting this cap, wound up putting in first, and then we wound up sitting this on top. Now you want to be careful how tight you tighten down on that screw, because carbon fiber is pretty rigid, but you do risk the possibility of cracking it, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach all of the brake line on the left of the bike. And when you are tightening this down, you may need to push in the back like I'm doing right now of the fender. On the left is this one that kind of moves around back here. Okay. I'll put some Loctite. This looks like it was red Loctite or thread locker. All I have is blue, so I'm just gonna put the blue on there. Okay, it's now snug, so now we'll tighten them in. Again, this is why I did choose to go with full 6, because it has it appears to have those metal washers where the screws go in for these holes. If you do tighten down carbon fiber too much, you stress it and you can crack it. And again, it is very rigid, it's very strong, it's very lightweight, but you can stress it to a point where you will crack it.